In this video, I'll show you how to use the new Windows 11 snipping tool. My name is Amin and this channel is all about showing you how to become an IT pro really fast. So let's get started. Snipping tool is a Microsoft Windows screenshot utility. It gives us many options for taking screenshots. Let's see what this tool has to offer in Windows 11. Is it any better? Let's find out. To open this tool, search for snipping tool and open it. We can also use a keyboard shortcut Windows plus Shift plus S. In terms of its appearance, a lot has changed. Here is a side-by-side comparison with Windows 10. Now it looks much cleaner and user-friendly. Let's see how it works. First we have to select a snipping mode. There are 4 of them: rectangle mode, window mode, full screen mode and freeform mode. We can also select the time before snip. No delay means as soon as we click on the new button, it will show us the snip options. If we set it to 3 seconds, clicking on the new button will show us the snip options with a 3 seconds delay. After selecting a mode and time, click on the new button, or we can also use a shortcut Ctrl plus N. We can also switch between different snipping modes from this toolbar. For rectangle mode, drag the cursor around an object to form a rectangle. The freeform mode allows us to draw a freeform shape around an object. For window mode, select a window such as a dialog box that you want to capture. The full screen mode captures the entire screen. After taking a screenshot, now we have different options. The first option is ballpoint pen. We can change its color and size. The second option is highlighter. We can also change its color and size. We can use it to highlight text. Then we have an eraser to remove ballpoint and highlighter. These two buttons are for undo and redo. We can also use their shortcuts Ctrl plus Z and Ctrl plus Y respectively. If you want to clear everything, then use this option Erase All Ink. To make straight lines using ballpoint or highlighter, we can use this ruler. To rotate the ruler, bring the cursor inside it and then use the scroll wheel. To make a perfect circle, use protractor. To change its size, bring the cursor inside it and then use the scroll wheel. We can also crop images using this option. From here, we can zoom, save, copy and share. From this flyout menu, we can open a file. For example, we can open an image to crop it and then save it. We can also open our screenshots with different tools like photos. We can also print a file. Now in settings we have different options. We can enable or disable auto copy to clipboard, save snips, multiple windows. To add a border to your screenshots, enable this option snip outline. Here we can select a color and thickness. And now we have a border. So that's it for this video. Please share your opinion about this tool in the comments below. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so that you can get more useful content just like this.